been a long time since I uploaded video. Anyhow, today is a special day because I'll be attending a breakfast get together with again friends. Okay, it's 22nd of December here, and officially it is the Winterfield time here in UAE. So getting this hoodie here, and it's really nice to walk outside. Then see you then. There's just staying. In this right corner, this is the hotel, Grand Millennium Al Wada Hotel. And this is where my friends stay. Such lovely accommodations. It's a lovely building. There's the mall. This is the hotel in the back. Back side is the Al Wada Mall. So okay, I'll leave the entrance over here. There's the entrance, the residences. Oh, better yet, we'll go from here. The lift already, I think that's about 10 minutes walk. I only got here strawberry for the breakfast. I don't have much honestly to share over there. So find take in this area. There you are. Let's go. Where are they? I can see work shoes, so they must be here. And they won't hear me because I have my shoes. My shoes there, and I put down.
Hindi mo nakita sila doon tayo?
Happy New Year! I'll put this one. Sino nandito? And who are here? Hello! Good morning! So, yeah! And there, let's enter here. Very lovely home! Ay, Pasko naman sa Santa's there! A Santa again! Of course, the home mistress. Bang! Thank you for the invite again and again and again. And again and again. Yay! Lovely kitchen. Of course, ang mga tropang gutom, night shift. Lahat kayo night shift? Wala eh. Oh, eto daw sa maglulose weight daw eh. Sa maglulose weight daw. Si Rinel. I got a strawberry for you. Nga, sabi mo. Diba? Ang ganda na ha. Grabe naman ang Christmas tree, oh. Ang sagang nag-set up ng Christmas tree, oh. Okay, let's tour the living area. Haha, Santa's here. This is my favorite part here. And see how they put up the Christmas tree. Wow, there's really lots of love and effort and time, of course. See? Whoa, okay, our favorite couch. Favorite. And her work area. Isn't it? Isn't it lovely to run here and see the view? Of course, their plant area. So, oh. Such This is a 2-bedroom apartment because their daughter is sleeping in the bedroom. So, and We're gonna start. Fight. Kuya Bart, kakain na. Yan, selfie na kami. Happy New Year! Merry Christmas! Ayan. Hindi pala yun. Ano na tawag doon? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year! 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Ayan. Then, grabe, thank you, Beng. Galing pa kayo ng airport niya. Sobra naman. Kuya Bart, kakain na. Tama na, yan. Kuya Bart's been with us also. Yan. Siya ang aming favorite arty. And ayan na po. See how? Sobra. How do you describe the breakfast? Sobra, yan. Ito, even sa long time na meron kaming ganitong klaseng breakfast. Of course, ang singer of the house, Ate Chona. Nagka-practice ka ba? Yan. Ayan, so kakain na kami. Thank you. Pina-practice ba niya yung aming masterpiece? Yeah. Oh! Wow! So habang inaalaga niya sa lumang naglalala siya, ha? Anong sinaing na isda? Nasaan yun? Ah, eto. Wow! Nasaan yung kanin? Sinaing na isda. Galing pinasyon?
Binalot sa ano?
Ah, yung yung pagkakaluto niya, sinaing. Steam. Yun. So, ang tawag sinaing na isda. Yan. Kain na kami. Kain tayo. Ay! Magkaganon ba siya? Ayan. Pwede or dito? Or ito mas maganda ang video? Mas maganda ang video mo? So, ang labo na sa akin. Oh, labo eh. Malabo na? Mas malinaw yun sa akin.
Isama ko ito.
Ayan, mala. Ayan. Uy, meron na naman. Meron pa. Meron pa last picture, family picture. Thank you, Ine. Anong tawag sa kalabeng? Elf? Elf ba? Elf? Elf. Di ba nice?
Selfie pa tayo. Selfie.
Ah, dito naman ulit. Mga flowers.
Selfie pa.
Selfie pa. Yes. Diba? Akala ko talaga
Mas kanya ka.
Burst ba yun? Burst? Or dahil may timer lang?
Ano buti? Time fix.
Oh, diba? Hindi. Ito! So cute, no? Hindi kayo nakita. Ang galing naman. Nakulat mo na to through ano? Bing? Through tears? Yan. May ano pa yun? May sarili-sariling ano?
Group photo tayo, isa rin yung lotus, may siliding kayo dito.
Next time mo sabi kayo.
Mo. Diba? Ito, binili mo na siya malaki na? Ito?
Hindi, bago na yan. Pangatlo ng sets. Ito.
IKEA?
Ito maganda din to. Liputon ba? Yes.
Anong pangalan niya?
Ay, bigay ni Bart sa akin. Mother's Day. Tapos namulaklak ulit. Ito pangatlo ng bulaklak. Galing no?
Oh, about this one. May aloe vera pa.
Ayan na, ganda na.
Ano yan?
Orchids ito, oo. Orchids. I like this. Ikaw nag-assemble nito? Ito? Oh, gusto niya. Ayan na mga basog. Ayan na, pauwi na kami. Ayan na. Next time na lang yung TikTok na namin. Ano, bida kami! Busog kami sa breakfast. Salamat.
Thank you, Beng and Bart.
Kaya nga, Beng, thank you. Naku, pauwi na ang mga busog. Bye-bye. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.